I've treated you badly. Okay. Just come back to the tent. What the hell is going on here? She's chucked my sleeping bag outside.
Oh, you know.
Cannonball! Over soon now. Hey, I seen him on my foot then. Then.
Yeah, there he is. He's on your leg.
Look, correct?
Yeah. Cool how they click together, isn't it?
Dirty fries up the George. Heading up the mountains, half naked. The first issue. Little stone in the shoe.
Yeah.
I'm hoping we don't get any ticks. My legs are on display. Looks like an old burial mound there on the top of the hill. This is where I've camped a few times, and I'm lucky when the branches fell down. This tree's all dead now. A little bit of greeny, must have had that ash dieback thing. What do you want to do? We've just spotted Welsh Fire Outdoors over here. I think he's trying to hide from us. We shouted, but he obviously thinks we're a farmer or something. So we're going quite a long way today. We're going to end up over there somewhere on the ledge. Mad landscape. It's just all been burnt, so you can see it's lush, fresh, new green. Starting to wish I didn't have the chips now. The final ascent. 4 miles to go, Nathan! 4 miles! I think there's a river over here. It only starts from there, look. I think it's coming out of a cave or spring or something. So we're currently heading to a campsite Drew first imagined in his dreams. He reckons it's another few miles. How do you feel, Drew? For the first time you've ever found a campsite on your own? Oi, oi! Some major drops into these, look. Didn't bring many beers with me today. Just a little mix pack. There you go. That's all I got. Mad views. You got Drufus in his vest, and then Nathan, he's decided to wear nothing. Boys are dilly-dallying. It's just, you've got to think outside the box. Like, come on. Perfect. Drufus' first ever campsite. He loves that. Antisocial Druf. He's chosen to go miles away. This girl's content. Ah, loving life. Loving it. There's me just in the middle of the rocks. And we got Nathan down there. Stunning, stunning location. So this is the step to get to the chairs. Right, we're taking a walk down the steep mountain now. Get some water. We're gonna have a swim. Getting in no matter what. A struggle for Poppy. Come on, girl.
There's got a half open can.
Walking down with his Jack Daniels, going for a dip.
Hey.
First one down. Where's the boys? See them there. Here's the river. Oh, this looks nice. Let me show you this pool. Ah, she's in already. Look at this. This is perfect. Wait, nearly fell. Oh yes. Right, let's get in. There's a little waterfall around the corner. I reckon they got full of stuff.
Full of ash.
It's not too bad yet.
As once we get it all buoyant, isn't it?
Yeah. Woo. Nice. It's fresh. Definitely fresh. Ooh. Yeah.
How deep is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Up. Hey. Swim. No fuss.
It's pretty warm actually.
Yeah.
It's in deeper than the other pool. It's cold on my feet, man.
Sun's heated the top bit up.
Oh, it's rock is slippery.
You just look confused there, Poppy. You going in for a swim? Poppy, going for a swim or what?
Make sure you head to the deep.
No. Oh, you know.
Cannonball!
Wait. That's broken toes. I didn't touch your bottom.
No. Oh, shit.
You don't like no see.
Hey!
That's right. Go away, Ant. I don't trust you.
You slip in, you have to go in, huh? Hey! Nice.
Sabbatical. You don't wait for huh?
It's alright, isn't it?
You are?
It's alright.
Right there.
I've got 15 minutes of there now and then you can come up.
15 minutes trying to laugh.
Is he gonna jump?
5 minutes. 5 minutes will do me now.
He's in.
Doesn't look like he's enjoying himself, mate.
Oh, smile on his face. Get your head on the sack, Jack. A little bit. Hey.
There's tadpoles in this part of the river, look. Really calm part of the river. Climbing back up through the rock field. Thought just came to me that no human has probably ever walked this exact way before. It's just such a crazy route to walk. He's up. Droof is the winner back up. Right, I found a bit of wood on the way up, so we're gonna have a fire. This is, it's all been burnt, it's dead. Have you got an open L? No, you have.
the arse end of nowhere. We got a good hour left of sunlight, I think, there. Cracking old valley, wasn't it?
Rufus is doing some summer edition hot dogs and pita bread.
Some soft pepper bread.
Cool, Warburton's no less. That's the way.
Oh yeah.
Right, fire's going here. Valleys full of midges. If you can see them very good in there. I'm trying to smoke them out. Some sauce in there. We've got tomatoes and onions.
Tomatoes, fresh onions. This one done. I've treated you badly. Okay.
Right, the food's going on. So going with a steak. And then I'm gonna have some potato salad. Stuff I don't have to cook really. Tomatoes, beetroot.
Might take a walk up out in the morning to say being the food all night.
Right, there it is. I didn't present it very well, but there it is. Like, oh, look at the steak, man.
Yeah, the more.
So your pretty face.
There's a crazy big gully there underneath our fire. Let's go check it out. Right, here we go, into the gully. This is awesome. Wicked. Can't quite get around the corner. Yeah, it's a bit narrow to get around there. See if I can climb out, does it? I need 4 limbs for this. You can't be holding the camera. He's nearly out.
Thought you up on that there, like. She's falling, you know.
Yes!
Floppy fall dudes up.
He's got it. Hey, hey.
Easy man, Eli.
There's some music going on down here and it is proper loud. Hard to pick up on this, but we're guessing it's probably Paul having a rave. One man rave, like. You're a bit. Back in the tent now to get fully kitted up. Get the leggings on. A few different layers. There's a lot of feathers coming out of this. I don't know if it's holding it somewhere. Hoppy's gone to bed. Got a feather on your nose, girl. Oh no, it's not a feather. Ah. Wrap her up in this now. You'll be happy then, won't you? Ah. Look at this. Nathan's flame grilled steak. First time he's done it. It's looking good. Pretty good. 6.5, isn't it?
Yeah, give him 6.5. That's worse.
Tell me about the safety lights!
Oh, it's good.
Ooh, it's better.
Ooh, that's 8.5.
Hey!
Better.
Oh, look at that!
It's only a dumpy
It's a dumpy, but
6.
come on. No, that's perfect.
No, it's not perfect. It's
That's
pretty
perfect.
Ash.
good.
Oh,
3.
terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
I still got a total lump here.
That's worse on that right there. Oh my god.
Son of a,
One.
son of a gun.
1. Show it to the camera there. Show it to the camera. 1.
That's better.
Ah, that's
a lot
9.
better.
That's a 9.
Oh, come on.
Bag, wasn't we?
I got one.
Perfect again.
5.5.
5.5. Come on. Look at it. Lay
So,
done.
so as good as the one you've done earlier on. I'll give you 6. Oh,
Pretty good.
This is for the win.
Oh, you haven't got it. I think that means I'm the winner.
Self-proclaimed.
Open flat.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That's what.
Just come back to the tent. What the hell is going on here? She's chucked my sleeping bag outside. What's your thoughts behind this? Get rid of the sleeping bag. Bit weird, like. Right, quick look at the setup before I crash out. I am in the Sierra Madre Puffle. Good down to 4 degrees. Starting to lose this labels on it now, but it served me well. She is under the rucksack. Seems content. If she gets cold, I'll chuck something else on her. Classic pillow. Down jacket inside. I've got the X-Bed Dura 5R. Should be a nice kip. Morning. Lazy morning here in paradise. Poppy is proper chilling. Just gonna pack up now, have a check about, see what he's doing. Pack down slow, couple of coffees. Nothing left of the fire, look. Completely burnt. A few rocks that have shattered, mind. Oh yeah, split from there, look. I was going to say it's perfectly leave no trace, but a couple of rocks are cracked. Just helping with the natural erosion, I suppose.